Defense counsel have planned around the existing schedule and are not in a position to file pretrial motions in just 4 weeks, and only 1 month after the close of discovery, which included thousands of pages of search warrant affidavits. Then they say, prosecution, don't worry about disclosing things too early to us. They say, look, we're going to move to dismiss these charges. We're going to move to suppress evidence from coming into trial because we say the evidence was obtained unlawfully by authorities. And even if we're successful and the scope of the criminal case is narrowed, the defense says this would simply make any trial disclosures over-inclusive. There's no danger there. The defense argues the risk that Mr. Combs will be deprived of a fair trial is far greater than the de minimis risk of over-inclusive disclosures on the part of the government. Meaning, Combs has a right to have the government disclose everything now. If it's too much, if it's over-inclusive, because, the case is whittled down later on, so be it. There's not much danger there, as opposed to he has a right to know everything at this point. And they also say, you know what? We may not even file any pretrial motions in the end, in which case, these disclosures from the prosecution, they shouldn't really depend on this motion schedule at all. So now I bet you're wondering, well, what has to be disclosed? What are we even talking about? What has to be exchanged here? Well, that's what I'm going to get into next. So the letter talks about that.